Hivyo sana mledire nontoboita na mbere kurumira Meru TV. Karibu sana kire sunsekia bidato kya mubango yoturinge mihana yacu daira atukiwatanira na wakili na turitana mantu mwanya ukoni watho nikenda kutira wa muledire wa Meru TV ututi wa nyuma kana no kumenya brand guru iwita na mbere kiri mantu yakoni watho kuma last week batwan twedire tukarire mantu yakoni intellectual property rights ara twedire tukiritana mantu yakoni trademarks na copyright na tukerwa retu atana mbere na radio ruara tukethira tukiritana mantu yakoni patent utility models na kinya industrial designs. Turi live kwenye mitandao yetu ya kinyanyaria Facebook na YouTube ni Meru TV Kenya. Karibu sana wakili.
Thank you Teli.
Tukethie.
Na thank you Meru TV. Ntuba kumpost naru. Litorako bito mukare muriungi. Ande wakili mbitangogea ndi na ofisi ya Meltown. Na nkobo. Na nginaraba Nairobi. Thank you so much ntuba kumbalika. Kenda tondera kuthoma. Twinde twira tugitana na manto ya makaija sheria. Ratumba kwalirie even in a short duration of time.
Kubo wakili nutite boya mna the last time wale otatwirire ukinya Nairobi.
Ale tu ofisi ya Nairobi ni therereo igire twereo. Na nwira tutimolera twemero tutaraire manto ya moja jo. But ofisi ni therereo ni mbuga ile ala ule thome. Sasa ni thome we Nairobi. Na ofisi chetu chedreire. Yes.
Iba sana. Wedire tokaria kitambo sana kutoka tangu tuonane.
Mbui. You are doing well. Mulungu na nendrete otumenyera. No tukaria. Eto muchocho kenkatho mono ntinya bambura. Mbere turateta mono ra kutrari na mbura. Atukona ja sometimes mealira meabia kolebio bidara bi muhimu mono. Na mbura gala yakura. Rumwe kwethara kwina those challenges. So imbu inenkenete mono ntutwene nyambura Meru.
Iwe sana wakili. Nende tutakanya tutonyekire rwari turantu kebare. Kenda wamberi na utomye the sheria patent nimbi.
Patent. Ere rwangiro mwarwa antujara toaliriti last week I think but one is intellectual property. Patent niyo kuga patent iri kidana wana kumba gintu gikieru. Kintu gitathithwe mutungi. Ugathithia gintu kwina sheria patent yuga kwina elements ile bati kujulia. Mbere ma no manka either whatever you have done is new or novel. Ani gintu gitathithwe mutungi. Another aspect kenda ki qualify kwa patent tuga no manga kedro ki involve gintu tuita inventive step. Kwina gintu wa invent ya kuomba gintu gikieru. Na ru kira kingi gituma omba ko register patent. Tubobeda tuno ira tuga no manga kedro ile industrially applicable. So in other ones patent ja kwetho murungu ku komba gintu gitonekana kairi. Gintu though it has to be novel, involve an inventive step and is industrially applicable. So andora wengine wana bakiomba kuthithia manto ja ketho ja tukomba kujure interview bio bidatu iro gitumba kwa register as a patent. Antuno edro kuthithia gintu gikieru. Lakini gitumba kuthithwa ki industry. Kana giti involve teni. Ani ugo kwa na gikieru in your own ways. Then gitumba kwa register as a patent. Yes. So patent it's a new innovation or new creation. Yes.
Nkenda tutarire mutaratara yura muntu abatera kuthiatira ki register patent.
Patent is very complicated. Into kina mutaratara jumraja munoga ku register. Nonto bambere kwina no manka thithia search kumenya into kio thithia kithiri giaku. Na into kiothithia me patent has to be recognized worldwide ti Kenya ki so rero ugo kuthithia gintu gikieru no monka gitegerwe nthiguru yonthe gutwika uti muntu ungi uthithia gintu jakio so procedure to register patent is very elaborate very long na very expensive nonto kenda uga for example gintu kiro thithia gikieru nombo register no monka gambe gitegerwe gikieru ate kenda uga ku involve an inventive step no monka nya experts by included kuona ugira gintu ki wathithia ugukuga kethira ku mantu jo thithia uti muntu ungi ola no thithia nthiguru yonthe na no monka bagitegere bona gintu ki ukuthithia kethira ki viable na kethira no kiumbe kwa replicated kira gituma tureta perspective in industrial applicability ikwithirwa gintu kiro thithia no kiumbe ku produce is it viable no kiumbe ku produce ogitumirikana antu babingi for example ja laptop kana thimu thimu inventorwe that no ge chida jina patent yo no to board designs na whatever ndu kila kiathithirwe na no gona it is industrially applicable no to no gomba ku produce thimu nyingi ikaliumo kenda chimutwika antu bakumba kutumira thimu yo so process ya registration ya patent is a very lengthy one I think nonto it involves not many patents are registered nonto maybe in big companies chichumba could either that process and it's very expensive and sometimes neither area out of frustrations also sometimes omba weto kadida gintu gikieru rero ite ku register kuna India nyingi muno chiairo au nonto ke wipo ila tugawound intellectual property organization either umbrella organization the whole world ile tegera manto ya intellectual property I think but in Africa tutingatera manto ja muno so kinyokeja na India njero sometimes no hijacked nonto utina maybe that historical aspect manto ja nyada into kiro didi kieru temono in the process of registration okeda kwa hijack okeda muntu ngina didi manto ja so it's a very lengthy process yes
wakili utombo tutariria mutaratara yo kinyana okwi
no mutaratara yo no mbere maki Kenya kwina ira tuta kipi Kenya Industrial Property Institute au ne wamba iri na ndo wana mkothi de search ira wamba o ne kanire nini ichi akuku ano thithie gintu gikieru kiambe gitegero gutwike gintu kiu githaro thithwe anywhere in the world gintu kiu geta ki monka to the WIPO ila to World Intellectual Property Organization na kuna agreements nyingi muno ila chithira chingavanite manto jau nonto no gona kwina inya gintu gintu the international ila TRIPS agreements ande ongo gira is a very lengthy process we cannot talk about it na nini but it's a elaborate process nonto gintu kiro kuthithia kita no gira gintu kiro kuthithia gintu gikieru no monga gitegero ndiguru yonde gutuko te muntu ngio thithia gintu jakio so now mbira that process right it's a lengthy one yes
na process hiyo ndio yukikaita atia wakili
you cannot tell patent teja ku register company ka ku register utility models for example kana nini nonto it depends kenda wawa thithia njeru for example nonto mantunya patents jeje ira muno kire no mango ithero kareta lab igitarea ringana ugawenga before you come up with this new idea kenda wawa ukona ndawa for example together ija kuna mirimo irete na ndawa tugo ku invent dawa kuga ni kwali ya HIV AIDS mbere mambere ithero nyo kinya that level ku invent dawa you have taken a lot of time in the lab to do your research and everything watira wande no monka ndawera ne tegero mandaktari jange mengi muno kenda gutwika gintu kiwiriretie whatever you are doing kenda kiereka imbio kuthithia na formula ile utumira no mango ithiro meandikite very clearly na ingredients chaku na whatever the chemicals and whatever you're using. So I think you can now get it twaire ketha kuthithia gintu ja ndawa ya kwaria HIV AIDS nukwirwa gintu kiu maybe all the doctors are researchers in the world better to be there for the last 30 years. So you see now the length. So you can come up with that idea today, but now maybe you did the research for 20 years and you get patents that are protected. Once you come up with a patent, you're already protected between 15 and 20 years. What you can work, you come back to enjoy. Ndawe kada yowe ukamere apnyo. Ote mtungi ombo mendi. You work a mendi for 20 years. Kenda omba ku recover. Mbeche ilo tumire nyaki research and whatever and then after 20 years ilo maybe omba kulekerwa. Now there are, I think because so many debates kijirau kimantora bigo wantu bakiuga manto jam brand kwenda kuna brand na kana ile bigo wantu bakiuga original na generic ile ita original I think antu aba me the original is particularly getmairo because one little register patent what you have is a brand wadira miaka 20 sheria ni tikiriti nande formula ile otumirikite otumirite kuthithia ndawera inenkaniro to the public kenda mture ungi wonde umba kuthithia ndawa jera eja thithie andi no wira ndawa chithira china iranto beto original which is should be a brand na generic. Generic ikwithira ndawera japanandu bwana ile brand ikuthira miaka 20 mtoro thite panandu eto kada kuna paracetamol kuna what but formula kuthithia mantuja is the same formula ile elimu lakini andi no tunethirite protection ile patent ile nandi wona antu ba kwitikirwa kwita kujukia formula baka thithia ndawa ojere ya thithitu so yeah
kiri registration ikuru na document siendekana.
Of course, documents ni nyingi matinya documents yake. Kwena nya formulas. Na kwena because you have to, no mwankaweleze boyega muno into kio thithia rero kurenjisa no mwanka ukiona ni into kibi. Kenda wonania ina na ugigi kieru. So apart from the documentation sida no mocha who is the owner kana no kuthithia nyemere ukamete up na this idea those formulas no mwanga chonde chidherwe uchinenkanire na format ira itikiritwe na ile gwereza bru clearly formula ile wata ndio gwera after 20 years into ki no kinenkanira to the public so the register no mwanga wetherwe no na nitibwega muno antu jawura jadithagwa kenda nya after 20 years rero wathira rights chako we protected then mtungi no jaka juke formula ile
mtu aya athiri atumba ku renew
in most countries they are for 15 years renewable for 5 years nonto no gona lewe jira yendo ikiaro ndegorona tumbo sometimes I think it's for humanity kile tuma idire kariyo nonto no mangaba kwa miaka 20 kenda ugomba kwithura nonto tugira into ken industrial applicable no kenda bakwa kanya ka kukumba ku recover bechiro tumire gikuthithia research na whatever na process yonde lakini thirau for example kada ndawa kenda ithira cheap in the market kenda ithira ni kumba kuonekana untu kingi ikyo wana nande your rights na ndeka extinguished watweka mtungi wonde nombe kuthithia gintu kiu because whatever you came up the idea you came up with no recoup your money na gintu igutethia mwingi then ikethra ikurekerwa kenda kyombo gutethia mwingi yes
eba wakili na tia patent unazibombo karia invention sio itatumikani kana itatumiro ni mtungi kana itakobo
no mbere maina kenda kida gintu getro patent ndokora ge protected na patent je ikara ya yongo nonto rero register patent formula iria na rero register ke ida kipi weta monga ke wipo under the TRIPS agreements the chitra ikareti and nini inventions in the world formula era na rero register tiumba gwito ome monka period area protection idri so o register patent on a normal nini kana ina wound ki sheria ula yuga itukuge tibati kulekerwa kiuma ombe and when how that works now depends na human interaction with it onto wa kuligari whether formula where most of the time kwa daktari kuna nini rumors kana whatever yuga kiarire mantu je daktari ula inventre Elvis alo Kenya nageria ku register yakinya na urere makwa registered but whatever you had invented no trendero with the register not no exposed to the formula para baka mirega lakini beta bakongera antu ya kainya katuna maana antu bakona indie kuni witangoki beta ukethera ndawere ku invented because I think in Africa we tutevaliaga what we call intellectual property kana tutena mechanism ya we protect kindethro come up na this innovation kutuka world wide ni quality recognized you know bara in the world kija wipo na mbira wetre kulenjisa ngitokira no they are big boys but kabona bwena indiere aja neiba kumenya the capabilities ile omba kuthithia na mbecha ile omba kuthithia then ukethera ina the idea kuyo gwita eta gutumirika kuthithia mantu jangi yes
mawe ya patent ni yari kukiri a biashara
you know patent ikara ya mtoro thithiti na ndikukwira ugorera ujira na indiere uno no protect ndande ne ndieku na tugira no mankaidro industrial applicable that means ikintu kyomba kwika factory kana whatever yada ge producer wana wingi so patent ite kara yanto bonde patent kara ya mtoro medideti so ugorera ujira na indie patent kana nini wewe patent ite ndieku you work at it na so you go mwana biashara and then you'll be able to enjoy your invention for maximum of 20 years yes
sana ni maybe ni challenge sidi kokana ni maumu ya dukuma ira kiri mutratara your application kiri patent
I think it quality some of them not know na kwithera you come up with this thing ireba tukidho ki recognize our worldwide now the process you ku register either into ki utumtungi okidithia in the global village ira tukara nukuona that by itself is a very big challenge you know whether sometimes to register a patent is a very difficult thing nido companies mostly chumba kudithia mantu jo the big pharmaceutical companies they involve a lot of resources more so ke research milenyo kinyanya kwambira process registration yes
Mbaya sana ni advice kuomba kwa young innovators ukonie patent
no once you come up with a new idea na wote kiendie wote mtongi familia I think when non-governmental organization nyingi munanye sponsor amount jao kenda gutuika wono komba ku register so lero kama na gento ikieru no owo chira kirine kuna ndiketa thithu mtungi it is good to move ahead na ku register I think challenge yetu we underestimate ourselves onto maybe onto boy effect nyingi mono yenye mantoja how we live our setup our mindset kwa tukenyerera wejera na kintu kiki kieru sometimes utakwenda ukirenje yani ukitest ke whatever na tutena I think challenge that we know muno kwitha tutena mechanisms ila chikomba go support innovation you na the new ideas but once you come up na gintu okuiwa gintu kege kiero then nobody will take that initiative as a young person will make sure you think these days these things are coming up so many maybe in technology and now ndinya the world is moving that we are now at the fourth industrial revolution ile ndino mantoja internet whatever manza technology it is possible kumera na India yeku ile tena mtungi ile kwa sometimes ulitegera for example apps je kuona ja Facebook ukadra mtura akamire na app yewe na mbina register ukadra na kuomba ku enjoy kida there is the top richest people in the world because of that innovation TikTok the same Instagram the same Twitter kana X there. Now, once you come up with this idea, it is good to have them patented. Can withdraw can enjoy that innovation because you realize ja kijana wa camera hapo na India M-Pesa kwa story endelea mono what happened and that was his innovation. Now if you don't protect what you do and you ukona hii unique then ukeja maybe in later kuregulate mono wana India kuitumika ajukui companies ila nene na wana kiendelea together maybe if you and advisors but if you how you would have benefited more in that idea so consult properly ndio kuona come up na nini so that na new ideas can utuka even yourself the magnitude of it iko protected yes
ni mantere kumta batere kuleidire kana ku consider bere ya ku apply patent
I think it already manto jo no tinkwere patent ya etika nini manto ja that the novelty inventive step and industrial applicability yes
ngona madaya tu ya kudira tore ugewa ku gomuthia
ku encourage our young people mendelea kwithirwa baki innovate more so these days in technology. Let's come up with new ideas. And once we come up with these new ideas, let's make them, we tailor-made them to ourselves and children equally distant. It can be the new thing in the world. Yes, thank you so much.
Iwe sana wakili na ntomba kwethira watanirite na batwi ntukwirari murethiri wa Meru TV au netukira katanta kiri mubango ya turingeme ntukwirari ngakwenera kaita kea bitawa tiri mbabu